folks, Jeff Tackney here, GMT Real Estate, Team Tackney, and boy do I have the home for you today. We're going to take a tour of this beautiful single-family residence here in West Garden Grove. Let me just tell you a little bit about the home. It's 4-bed, 2-bath. Actually has 2 masters, one upstairs, one downstairs. Very expansive rooms, both of those. It's been remodeled, beautiful kitchen, floors, newer paint. It is gorgeous, inside and out. Outside we have a beautiful pool with hot tub, entertaining deck that was just put in not too long ago. It's fantastic for entertaining. Vinyl fencing throughout with privacy fencing, so you can entertain and not have the neighbors peeking in on you. It is amazing. And let me tell you, this home has been in the same family for 50 years. Should tell you something about this home. So let's get started.